as instructed?
No, Vinny. And I agree with the commentator. I mean, again, she's cold. She is 2 hours late after she found the body. So, no, this wasn't a grieving girlfriend who just found her boyfriend dead in a suitcase and she's overwhelmed and distraught with grief. Absolutely not. She's a cold-blooded killer.
Karen, first she said she put him in the suitcase and fell asleep playing a hide-and-seek game, but when EMT gets there, she said he put himself in there. I don't know. People do weird things. Holly, is it possible? Can you put yourself in a suitcase? I guess you can get in the suitcase, but you can't zip it from the inside.
Can't zip it. Sure cannot. You cannot zip yourself into a suitcase. Here's the point. She's irritated in the call. She's only doing this because, as we know, her ex-husband told her after they talked about it on her doorstep and in her apartment, he said, "You got to call 911, lady." And she did. And now she's really stuck, because when she's calling 911, what's she going to say? She told the truth about the suitcase. Good for her. She talked about hide and seek. Okay, that's strange. But she's very clear from the start that this guy's dead, and he's been dead, and he looks dead. So she's irritated with the dispatcher. She's devoid of any emotion. And, that's not going to play well for her at all. I think it's all fake, all trying to act like she's doing CPR. And even the scream is bizarre. So it doesn't add up to me. It doesn't seem like a person in distress, because, in fact, she's only calling 911 because now she's brought her ex-husband into the situation, and God knows what she told him. And he says, "Hey, listen, I'm out of this. You got to call 911 right now."
Daryl tonight, not Daryl, Lynn, I'm sorry, Lynn. He may have ended up in the suitcase for a game, but she knew to let him out and didn't, and was already mad at him beforehand with payback in mind. Horrible tragedy. Neama, is this payback the oldest or the second oldest motive in the book?
It's the oldest, right? You're killing your cheating boyfriend. And what a terrible way to do it. Have him suffocate in a suitcase that you either helped put him in or you certainly didn't let him out of. So just a really, really sad case, and what a tragic way for this poor young man, by the way, father of 3 children, to die.
Daryl,